my last video, I shared with you 3 Nigeria platforms that can pay you 5,000 naira by doing simple jobs and simple tasks you do online by liking and commenting on social media posts. One of my subscribers watched the video that night, and just that night of doing tasks, he was able to make over 500 naira from one of these platforms. And this platform has paid over 100 million to his freelancers in just last year. And in this video, I'll be walking you through 100% how you can make money daily from this platform by doing simple jobs you do online, and all the process on how you can perform your task, how you can submit your task, how you can withdraw your money, how you can set up your account, how you can set up your bank details, and everything you need to know about this platform. So I'll be dedicating this video on this platform. But before we jump right into my screen, if you are new in this channel, you are welcome home. My name is Norman Evans, and in this channel, I share videos around the easiest and simplest way to make money using the internet and related tech videos. So if you are new here right now, go down there, smash that like button, and make sure you still subscribe to this very community so that you will never miss out from my weekly premium content on this very community. And smash that like button, thanks in advance. With all this said right now, I'll take you to my screen right now, sharing with you all this process and how you can go about it. So let's go to my screen. So guys, making money online has become way easier with this very platform right here. Now, this platform of last year, they paid over 100 million to their users or their freelancers per se. Now, you can join as a freelancer or you can join as a business owner. I'm going to be walking you through the freelancing area, not the business side. Maybe on a different video or on a different day, I might walk you through on how you can make money from this platform as a business owner, on how you can tenance your income and tenance your revenue as a business owner using this platform. So make sure you stay subscribed to this very channel so that you will not miss out from that video when I drop that video. Now let's go into this video. Now this is the business side. As you can see, take control of your brand, online reputation on side gig. Now we are not doing this right now. What we are doing is the freelancing part of this very video. So we come over to this very place right now. We are going to come over to freelancer instead of business. The fact that there's a business here and there's freelancer here, right? This very one right here is on business, so we're going to be taking it down to freelancer. So let's go over and click on freelancer. It's going to switch to freelancing. Right, as you can see, earn completely simple task online. Join side gig as a freelancer and start earning extra cash while you explore the internet. These are simple things you do every day, like liking social media posts and signing up an account, installing an app, and this small stuff you do online every day that take off your data. But with this very platform right here, you can start making money from this very stuff you do normally online, right? So what we're going to do first is to sign up an account. So to sign up an account is very simple. Just click on get started right here, or you can come down and join as a freelancer right here. So click on join as a freelancer. It's going to take you to a sign up page of where you are going to input all your details. So once you come back to this very place, what you are going to do is very simple. Your username is your display name you are going to be using in your profile. Now the next thing you are going to enter is your email address, your password, and you're going to enter the referral username. All right, we're going to do this right now. Go ahead and put in your username. I have an account already, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to just walk us through this process. So once you put in this details, you click on register. It's going to load you up to the next page. So guys, once you have done with the step 1, we are going to move it down to the step 2, as you can see right here. Now you want to make sure you put in your first and your last name, and you want to make sure your first and last name is corresponding to your bank details, all right, so that you never have issues in withdrawing your money, right? You have to follow every simple steps and instructions I'm passing through in this video, so you will not get things wrong that will make things hook up at the end of the day, right? Because the end result of everything we are doing right here is for you to be able to make money that you can withdraw to your bank account. So make sure you don't skip any part of this video so you not get things wrong, right? The name you are putting right here is corresponding to your bank details, right? So let's move on. We're going to put in our phone number right here. Click on next. It's going to take us to the next part. And now the third step right now is to tell us to verify our identity. So they're going to send us a code to our phone number we use to register this account right now. We're going to go to our phone number and we're going to insert this very code they have sent to us. Come over to this very place right now. As you can see, this is the code they sent to us. Your side gig confirmation code is it expires in 10 minutes. We're going to copy it right now. Come here, we're going to paste it here. Right, okay. I think we are going to type it one by one. Type it right here. Click on verify, and it's going to verify for us. So guys, our account is created right now. So you can see right now our completed task is 0 and our earnings is 0, right? Now this is the first thing you have to do, right? Before you can do anything, you want to make sure you update your account. That's the first step to do. So if you check over at this very place right now, just check over at this top left corner, you're going to see an hamburger icon right there. Click on it. right? Then you're going to have access to the full platform. The first thing you are going to do right now is to click on this very place right now. Once you click on it, it's going to take us to our account, right? So once you come here, this is where you're going to update your account. It's very important, where you're going to upload your profile picture and where you're going to update the rest details about you. So the first thing to do is to upload a profile picture. It's very simple. Click on change photo right here. It's going to take you to your gallery. You're going to select a picture you want to use. So the next thing right here is to choose if you are a male or female. Right, if you are a male, if you are a female, put it down there. Then your location, select your country, Nigeria. As you can see, Nigeria is right there. Then you can go ahead and select your state, the state you are from. So once you have done that, you are going to click on save. This is going to save, right? Just follow every instructions I'm passing through in this video. So once you have saved that already, you're going to come over to this very place and you're going to select your social media platform. It's very important because these are the social media platform you're going to be using to perform tasks. They are going to also verify if you perform these tasks right, so that they can track your results and pay you your money. Click on this very place. So I'm going to click on Instagram, all right, new account, right? Once you click on Instagram, as you can see, and this is very important, you want to go through every step right here because this part is important to your payment. Without this part, you can't be paid your money. So as you can see, they say a profile picture is compulsory, minimum of 5 posts is compulsory, and they're referring to your Instagram account, right, or your Facebook account you're going to upload here. That means your page, your Instagram page must have a profile picture, is compulsory, and you must have posted a minimum of 5 posts on that very account. The reason is because they want to know if this account is active or is dormant. As you can see, note, any page you submit must be owned by you, right, and must represent a living being, right? How to get verified? Paste your activation code as a comment on the most recent post of your Instagram account. If you don't know how to add your account, you can click this very place to learn how you can do that, right? I'm not going to go through that due to the length of this very video, so you make sure you go through that very place so that you can read and follow every instruction on how to add your account. Now this is how to add your account. You put in your username right here. My username is Norman Evans. That's my Instagram username, right? But I'm not going to update this one because I already have an account already on SideGig that already bears this very Instagram account, right? I don't want to duplicate my account on this very new account so that they will not trace it and block that my account because I've made some money from that account. Now the next thing right here is to put in your profile URL. As you can see, I think they have already uploaded my profile URL on this very place. You can see I've put my username instagram.com then stroke at your username. That's what your account is going to look like, and this is your activation code. So once you link your account right here, click on this link your account, you are going to copy this activation code. You are going to go and paste it on the most recent post you just uploaded on Instagram, right? Just comment this activation code on the most recent post you put on Instagram. As you can see, just as they are said right here, paste your activation code as a comment on the most recent post on social media on your Instagram account, all right, you wish to add. All right, it's very important. The reason they are doing this is that they want to know if this account is owned by you or is owned by someone else. This is nothing extreme, it's just a simple task, right? So you want to make sure you do this to your 5 account, all these accounts right here. This is very important because you are going to be using all these accounts to perform tasks on this platform. So once you are done with this very step, the next thing right here is to add your bank details. So once you click on bank details right here, you are going to be adding your bank details, which is your Nigeria or your local bank details you are going to be receiving this money into. Right, so as you can see right here, say set up your bank account. Add the bank account you want your earnings to be paid into, right? First is to come here and click your bank, right? So you are going to search for your bank right here, right? All the banks right here is here, right? This platform majorly work for those who are in Nigeria. So let's say I'm using Kuda Bank. I'm going to click on Kuda Bank right here. Then I'm going to paste my account number on this very place. As you can see, this is my account number. So once you click on it, it's going to pend it. So once it pend it right here, it's going to show my name, right? As you can see, they just verify that Evans Norman, that's the name of this very account. They are going to verify that themselves. So once you have done that, just click on add account. Once you click on add account, it's going to be updated immediately, right? So that's how you can add your bank details. I'm not going to add this because I've already added this bank details in my former account, in my main account. So this is a simple step on how you can add your bank details. So let's move over to the next, and the next thing right here is how you can perform tasks, right? Now you click on task center right here. They are going to take you to the task platform. So right now, these are the tasks on this very platform. As you can see, this is the page 1 of the task center right here, and they have over 73 pages on this very task center. That means these are hundreds and hundreds of tasks waiting for you to do, right? And you can also add tasks if you are a business owner, but I'm going to be doing that in a separate video. So make sure you stay subscribed to this very channel so that you'll be notified anytime I drop that video. And if you are getting value so far in this video, smash that like button. Thanks in advance. Now I'm going to be walking you through on how you can perform tasks. Now this is the task right now, follow on thread. All right, now this is the follow on Twitter right now, 10 naira. Follow on thread, 10 naira. Let's say we want to perform a task on Twitter follow. Click on the task right now and it's going to load up to the task page. Okay, they are telling me that I need to add my Twitter. I need to add a social account for Twitter. I'm going to log into my other account and walk you all through on how we can perform tasks, because it do take some time before they can verify a social media account on this platform. So guys, I just logged into my main account right now and I'm going to show you how you can perform this task. Click on this very task, which is the Twitter follow, right? It's going to load us to the task page. As you can see right now, this is the task, and you want to make sure, now the next thing to do is you want to make sure you follow every simple word and instructions they are passing here. Now the platform is Twitter, kind of engagement is follow, any is 10 naira, and the number of people they need is 20,000 people, right? And 16,000 people have done this task. Status of the task is active. You can cancel tasks if you don't want to do. That's very simple for you, right? How you can complete tasks: follow the Twitter user with the link below. Click on the link and complete the task. So once you want to do the task right now, you click on open the link. So once you have done that, you now come and submit the proof. So first thing right now, we're going to click on open link so that we can perform this very simple task. Click on open link. It's going to take us to our Twitter page, which is our S page. It's all the same. Then it's going to take us to the account right now. Now this is the account right now, alright, which is side gig account. We're going to click on follow right now. Once you are done following the account, you come back to this very place. We're going to click on submit proof of task, right? And I'm going to tell us to enter this captcha. Then we're going to click on finish task. As you can see right now, job submitted successfully. All gig will be checked before withdrawal process. 5 seconds, 10 seconds, you are done with one task. Now within 10 minutes, you can do as many tasks as you can, and you can make as much money as you can on this very platform. This is the total walkthrough of how this platform works. Now the link to this platform will be linked down in the description of this video. The first link you'll be seeing in the description of this video will be the link to this very platform. Click on that link and register a free account with them. If you have an account already, go ahead and log in right now and start performing tasks and start making money from this very platform. If you find value from this video, do make sure you give it a like, alright, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to check out the video of where I show you the 3 best platforms you can start working from home and doing tasks from Nigeria, you want to make sure you check the video showing on your card right now, or you can check the end screen of this video to access that video. Now with that said, I'm going to be seeing you in the next one. Bye for now. I believe you find value from this video. If you do, make sure you give it a like. Thanks in advance. And if you have not subscribed, make sure you go down there and subscribe and turn all bell notifications so you never miss out from all my premium content every single week. If you have any questions, if you have any challenges, make sure you relate it to me in the comment section. I'm going to reply and I'm going to provide answers and solutions to you. And if you have any experience with this platform, and if you have made money from this platform, make sure you drop your review in the comment section so that others can know that this platform is really working and is really paying Nigerians. With that said, thanks again for watching. I'll be leaving the video I talked earlier right here on the 3 platforms you can make money as in Nigeria and other Africa countries. And if you want to learn more ways you can make money online, also make sure you click here right now to access a playlist of ways you can make money online. So with that said, I'll see you in this video showing right here. Bye for now.